Top ways to boost home energy efficiency in Florida's hot and humid climate. To improve energy efficiency in Florida's hot and humid environment, start by upgrading to energy-efficient windows with low-E coatings and reinforcing insulation, particularly in the attic. Install a smart thermostat to optimize your home's temperature control, and seal any gaps around windows, doors, and ducts to prevent cool air from escaping. Regular maintenance of your HVAC system, including frequent air filter changes, is crucial for peak efficiency. Take advantage of Florida's abundant sunshine by installing solar panels and switching to LED lighting for better energy savings. Lastly, plant shade trees around your home to reduce heat absorption and lower cooling costs.